How to get 70% off KFC coupon codes or discount offers. Now, all you have to do first is to access or open up any web browser that you want to use. Now, from your search bar, just simply type in 70% off KFC coupon codes, KFC offers, slash coupons and promo code. Now, while searching on this option right here, you will be seeing multiple results that will pop out, especially with dealspromo.net. Now, they have a certain amount of percentage on what they will be providing you up. So all you have to do for you to be able to get the 70% off is to clicking on the link which will take you out to scoopcoupons.com, which is this one right here. Now, if you click on that link, this is going to be the official link for you to be able to get the specific codes. Now you will be given two different codes right here. It's just gonna be the 70% off and the up to 30% off. Now all you have to do is to click on this link right here and you will be given out the specific code for you to be able to use it on the KFC's official website. So that's it. That's how you'll get 70% off KFC coupon codes discount offers.